bona. Ushale bathina grad. Banna.
Righty. Arrecho la película no. Y ya lo hace poco alguien. Ariel Leboga. Ariel Leboga. Thank you very much, my selector. Ariel. Aquí me Holocuana, aquí me Holocuana, aquí me Holocuana, aquí me Holocuana, aquí me Holocuana. Wele mafuta na maolo. Alright, Bagamushi 5, 6 and 7. Table 5, 6 and 7. Bagamushi kamuka 5, 6 and 7. Kikopa la wele matu mene ngezi bakasilo kwa na. Ari very mamu. Halil lo tena fiale nana. Lo tena fela kana mufo. Na Bwana roho mwenye mnyanya ule kale. I'm under the impression that you guys were RSVP. So a person who RSVP'd and a person who didn't, there must be a difference. Must be order. I'm a go white out home for the link. Ma, look at it. Utolela na kimusha. Utolela na kena utolela na nushi. Ile ka bana baba bolele. Le ba khali. Lele na ka bram. Lele na ka kuka kuka. DOP, are you ready? Pura? Agere alianza ka poso mo morutile. Ntlogo peta morero walija. Yangwa. Viola ke khopela go mema. Modimo ka pina ere marana mpe matla ke go sebele. Agere. Le a to bobile ke tso mo moruti. O ba le tsana ka lo jema hula ba. Moruti, ye go sheye betha. Kam kana mera ke thinta ke. Kam kana mera ke thinta ka re tlo go TV agere. Eh, ba re tlo go TV. Right? Pura? Morena, every one of you guys must dance. Every one of you guys must move. Ne? You can go there. Hallelujah. Especially Rien ne va pas les choses. Retrouve la nage noshi. Quel ore nale na khane. Rakhali ki ba le kwa. Retrouve la nage noshi. Ariel Boga. Thank you very much. Ariel Boga. Ariel Ocha. Il est something Kamuka. Mana follow Kamuka. Jamo Fofa. Les Jawagaba. Ushitang le means get problema. Program number 1, important opening prayer. Item number 1. Alright. We'll see. It is my utmost honor, privilege, and prowess. Agora ele azul algum rolo ele requisi o como isso vai nos colocar. O que eu quero falar para cá, eu quero perplexo, os que eu acho né? Que já eu agora os que eu biche, né? Respeito. It is my utmost honor, privilege, and prowess. O requisi baruti vai criar isso. Theological excellence, power above excellence. Gigantic jaw, greatness, strength, trying, exuberance. It is my utmost honor. Ore kibabiche, kalesao, lelechepa, labagaledi, katomo, lemorero, wabona, ore bachawari wilele, katapelo, morana pura, arba bakumeje, warutivare na. Item number 1, opening prayer. Item number 1, opening prayer.
Peter.
Jadi loh pela mang kamu cincin ngai melele.
Mulo
fitlhe ka moka mo teng ke re kgotswabeleng jalo re tlo bala lengwalo la Baroma 14 verse 11 ra kgona re khunang lona le bala ka tsela e gobane go ngwadile batho ke ena ka nna ya phela ke re matolo a moka a tlo nkhunamela o rialo morena maleme ka moka a tlo tumisha modimo a re khunamela re bitse modimo kgoši e kgolwa le godimo tau e kgolwa le go la juta mesia go loka papa re kopane ka molapeng re le monyanyong o le gore o hlotse ko wena papa re sa go gopola mosia re ga go bona o tlo etelela lenyalo le pele go fitlhela mafelelong a lona šireletša bana ba gago papa o tiiša lenyalo le wena modimo o mogolo modimo wa lešoko tau e kgolwa le go la juta tsohle ka moka re di bea go wena maeleng a mararo la ntatelela morwala mo ya mokgetho amen
ayale moga moruti ba kereke ya gešo ya bo mogalaledi mesapora o sekwela dead end ga ba fetsa fela wa reta gore wena bilabila e o tlo eletsa keyboard ka jeno o tlo eletsa keyboard ka jeno o tlo nantse o kgole gore o tswelela pele go ka eletsa keyboard ya rena be ke kgopela gore re betšha le bo moruti matsogo thabebona le lena le se ka belaela sa lena go papatha matsogo le kgono gape ba tlo re tshwenya batho re emeng ka wena aria leboga ladies and gentlemen sorry aria leboga ga bjale ke kgopela gore ke bitše ka pele a welcoming of guests it will be like borena go shempushago senatla thamaga matululu ge ba ka re ba nkgata ka tlhakotsa bona tša lebeitlwa nna ke tlo dumela gobane ka obamela ga bjale ke kgopela gore ke bitše ka pele ke ba hlomphile ke tialo bofanse go borena madimetša wa ga moši mošate wa ga moši ke le hlomphile morena ke le hlomphile kgoši ge ke kgopela gore le tle ka pele go borena fortunate wa ga phora keyboard maloke wa ngwana le ka se dule fase lena le ka se dule fase o dule fase le ka se dule fase
ke mošamang kona le tebele motho a tlile a na mabeng mora re a leboga mosebetsa modiro a o ngaka re a o leboga le setšhaba ka moka ga lena ke a leboga ke nna moši ke tswa kwa ga moši bogošing ja ga moši matebele ke ditlou jwale ke tlefa go tlole ya morena ka baka re lapeng le ke lapa la damoro rena re ile kwa fase mabešo mo re le dikgoši gona le dikgoši tša moši re ka moka lena batho ba borena ba o lekileng fa monyanyeng o mo botse o dithono fatsong ke baruti ba rena le batho ka moka re le amogela ka moga moši ka mone o ka re modimo a ka re thuša ka moka rena ra kgona go dula re kgosetše ka moga moši ba moši a bana bothata ba raowa ka moka lena le amogetšwe empa e le re na le bothata le ka nna la mpona ke mokgoma mogolo wa ga moši ke ena re sepela re le magoši ga re sepele re le noši re na le bao ba ipatapotileng gore se ka ba di a diphoso ka mantšu a kereke mosepetša modiro o ka re le ka keteka gabotse ka moga moši ka moo ke moka re tlabe re thabile ra thaba le lena ke a leboga
Malume buya gape motlolo lena wa nyala lekgono goba wa nyalwa ge le re bona re dutše ka moara mabosea ka lebaka la gore motlolo wa lena wa nyalwa jale malume swantše a bontšhe gore ba tlhagetše go feta dilo tše ka moka jale ge mogala jo wa baphora a tobetša dikonopa tše lena le emelisa setšhaba se le ba bontšha gore le tlhagetše le ka kwa marumo a tlhagetše
ke a leboga nkompethele mowe malome a ngwana
No, paizuro len katela. ke thabisha ke gore le a kwishisha gore ba Lazarus Films ba gona jwale re tlo tswa mo TV ba ka le tsere ga botse le ka le tsere ga or le tshisa ke bošomo le bona o ka re go maru a pele ke tsere ga botse no no tlo lukisha se pela ga botse ka la baka la ngwano ale a thagala ke tagetse le wa le sare shate wa di wa Thank you very much, Yalebora. During the course of the formal program, let there be order. Ke boelele gape ke bitse ba kereke ya gešo under the tutelage and the leadership of His Grace bo Bokgalajwe Bishop Barnabas Agnes Lekganyane gabeale ke kgopela go bitsa ka sefela goba ka dikatara tša maatla baruti ba rena gore ba tlo re fa thero ya letšatši Fra arroba to meet. Shoot.
Amen. Par échou, dans le coronavirus, on va tomber un petit bichon avec une nama. Vraiment, il est là, on peut le taper. Alors, tout le monde avec une nama. N'a où il m'a tabac. Je vois le passé dans le passé. Alors, comment nous comprenons le cas moral,
l'élève.
Le taux. Agar nak try tu gua awak nak bicara lagi. Kalau makalah kita saya nak bicara lagi. Kan, ini orang lain saya lagi, boleh kau mahu pasal. Kalau kita saya lupa rasa lagi, bukan bicara punya. Tu mahu pasal, tu bicara tu. Kalau kita mahu lalu, tu mahu lagi nak legal. Tu mahu aman dan pasal. Padahal ni kita mahu jadi lebih sulit. Cuma kau boleh beli dia. Karena orang pasal bersama mungkin ini. Akhirnya mana soalan saya tu boleh nyala kaji. Lalu mukhafam lagi jauh, wah sepi. Lalu kita mahu lalu lagi. Kita mahu lalu lagi diferent jadi fila. Terus, untuk aku walau fiscal aku form. Yang ni boleh agak celai. Hubungan agak meri itu. Letak bola macam musuh kele dilau. Kasulung ela, yo peru yaga imrata. Kamu sulung ela kesamu. Kare, angke kitsugen. ke putle le metse le mekgotha le mapatlelo ke mo nyake yena yo pelo ya ka e mo ratang ka mo nyaka ka seke ka bona ke baleti ba sepela motse baleti ba sepela motseng kare ala mmona yo pelo ya ka e mo ratang ya re ke sa ba feta ka mo kgwedi yena yo pelo ya ka e mo ratang ka mo swara ka sesa molesi ka mo isha go mme lapeng mo ntshwadi ba re kgotsa le mogala mpatlele o ile ga a kgwetsa tlou a ba thetale o ke le botse setora se se ka a sa tšhogo gore gona ga setoga fofole nngwe mara ena ka re a banyaka go phela ga bonna o ile go mokile o mosoela se ka tla sa molesane šoa sepele wa gamphatlele ba re kgotsa le ka lomana ka tlou o se ba ba thusa ke motho a re lenyalo le boi ga go nenteo ntho e motse mane mangwe itirela motse go thula go thuba ko wena ka go kwa ditšhono mara go ka ikemišetša gore monne o kwa ka ke moratile oa o tla ba ba mokgakola sona ditlhogo ba ba le ditlongolwane le wena o tlanyadiša nka re kgotsokelele jale ke tlo go kgopela a ke nyako dijana go tele kare e ke lebeletše mo o kare nako e ke e nyane ke tlo go kgopela tlou ya makamao ke tlo go iša kudišo ba kudiša yona o e fetole ge e le gore e lokile e moru ge sa loka go thata ke nyaka go tseba gore na monna wa gago ka mokgwa mo ratago o bona gore wena le ena le ga ka ba le mathata jwang kapa jwang o ka se kgaogane le ena rena a re le go mothorare re ta kgaoganya ke lehu ka re a tsore masaki ba gae go ka re ta kgaoganya ke lehu no mmola a re lebešee o ikemišetse gore monna ga go le ga ka ba mathateng o tlo no ba le yena o ka dula fasemane mogaga ke tlo kgopela go mo wena ga mao ke tlo go bitla tabe mošomo gaga kua magwele go na le tongwana and setongwane se go se go tale go se wa tatarogana o se taola o ka se boo o dula kwa magwele mo tlogela mosadi gae jalo re nyako tseba gore na mogaga mosadi o mo botse o mo nyakilego a ore le ga ka ba le mathata jwang wa sego wa re ga ke sa monyaka ya go leboga mogaga jalo ke ya gola mafelele go bala lengwalo la difela tša difela 1 go bala bese e tee fela number 2 jale ke tlo kgopela ba ba sego dikamere go batamela ke fitlha go bothata yone fitlha go bothata yone le lena le sone go difounu jale ka di berekiša mogaga ke tlo kgopela wa maka maoto le mosadi ya gago mogaga ke kgopela o matamele mosadi ya gago o matamele se go gatsane selomong o matamele ya jalo lengwalo la rena le balaga ka tsela e a ka nkatle ka katlo ya molomo wa gago gobane lerato la gage le feta morara ka bosi ke le bogile le ka dula faselana alright
Kuna lo simple manyalo. Da wa no musu. Ewa, isso pode vir Lenny Williams. What is Lenny Williams? Arbetina matata ka mongara ka chamarato. Jwale ka ya o maki. Ka re fihla mo go yena ka re mogala jo gape e gatile kota ka kwa. Jwale ba mogala ba re mona o tlogele motho go gaogana le yena. E ba mogala jo ba ba re maybe you've never been in love like I've been in love. And maybe you've never felt the challenge in the things that I What is Lenny Williams? How many times a guy got a relationship? I got my senior, I think I was keeping the last time he's at Agora tava jogo. Mas selecta. Que como como fazer a Copa nem a America. Que é elige this lovely couple. O cara vai pro pilha que tá vendo aqui sim. Como ela olha de mo como ela olha. Como ela olha. Que cara que vamos falar isso agora. Ele خاطر بقوله وينام تيمغا ده تيم فخم يا فريق صدق ولا مسلي ابو برا صدق ولا ابو برا سيلكتا كي présente une la bona voilà mais je propose rapero di malinga arentate umuntu wako wewe na wewe active ne no you're very active you wanna no wa chori kila kujamunyanya yokulu kwa ni kama wewe kwa le ayo no ni na vile le pete kama chora ni kamera no akale kwa por le gabut arre robi malinga tukula kwa rene kama mtu ayana fela 30 seconds ubida tukula rene kama mtu 30 seconds ubida 80 seconds and won't be done. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the Love Festival, proudly brought to you by Mr. and Miss Bachele. Alright, today I'm going to talk about matunation. Matunation. When you look at my show, look her in the eyes. What will mean that love? Ah, quelle boca. Il y a les gens qui ont fait le son, c'est l'état, il y a le point de caillon, on fait le son, on fait le son. Ah, maglam polo, taman no, usimu. Negerikya utsiba kya bomora ko utsibe. Kishoro na ukakile mukhaha, akuchira simbobinya na tire. Kuchira kama uzile mwana ke. Asa to walu, mali mwana utawo. Kero tuyo suyo la garage. Yo alpa. Ucho hapo utsiba. Baro ono ka kama nandi. Mazuru wali. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, without wasting any further of your time. Thank you very much. And now put the words in the room to DJ. Thank you, Paul. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Now, without wasting any further of your time, please allow me to welcome on stage Speech by Neighbor. Ruti. I'm going to be directly to this way. Ayan mo ba? Kami nagkukula ko na kibitse kakeno wakishani. Gore pate kapele Mr. and Mrs. Kabe pero kopela gore lente kapele le amabedi amararo akaza maimuna da depora abata kape You may settle down. On the door or on the axis of the marquee, can you please order? Wakitika no wa enjoy mwana ukare wa upate joro thakale ka mohota apo thaketse o patetse skabara dikeke. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, without wasting a feather of your time. Le khotla elegant ukare ke na lo ga e ka maoto on the axis of the marquee or the entrance of the marquee. I think we can fix that one. Emapura, abe mola ke re maloma tsona. Ke emisha maloma tsona bo khoshi. Koshae. Ke ona koshae. Gabe ya le ke gopela gore ke tšee sebaka se ke ditše go malome o ja tlhogo ke. Malome ke maja tlhogo. Bia le tlo nthusha la thagala ka megolo kwane le bo mosiba lena chomi tsepi la tsaga ka go ya lena ke ditša bo malome gore ba tle ka pele bo morena Matthews gore ba tle ka pele ba amoši ke ba dira jwale pora o ba emeletša ka koša ya bona ke malome wa tsona rena re no make sure fela gore ba emele ba ke gore ke malome maša ditlhogo le ngwela ke ba ba bo se ka gore na le gona ke malome wa tsona ba morena Matthews ba amoši sebaka ke sa lena pora Linyalo le ka e ka mo mathata le thupoto le esco e dio ba mathata go bela go remeleng ka maoto malome maja di hlogo ba etla re go bela re ba thompe re ba fesebaka ka ba jedi ka bona motolo wa bona wa nyala go tso ba remeng ka maoto go tso moro ba pura ira ntolo ke bile ka yona banaka o betsa di go ba tsona ke hao born for this shapa fela mwana ka bana bana ba o shebile ba kena pila ta pa yota musio ngapi Fove nasi zaona na musio ke fozo o motolo agao o motolo agao eleo o mai era para o mundo o mai não sana bidole o mai Olha o bom manejo, como tom. Leva de ganhar, eu tô na marra. Portanto, eu não na. Quer? Mas o homem galera, hang eu linha, eu escola linha. Espere ser muito olha já muito molo. Tudo vai usar. Espere ser bom molo com pamana. Bom já não com molo. Quando não ope. Ona sesi. Para o formular. Arolai. Ora não tá no. É isso mesmo. Já o dura o dia não tá. Vai ali. Bisa baca. Musuh fire. Wow, asa bateri. Nari juga rita. No way, no lucu. Sabe de mana? Outro meu chulo, oi tá. Outro pouco, vamos um mola. Agora vamos. Vamos para terra. Outro na água. Ou outra coisa macam miau. Karena mau bom. Dia tu nak beli. Atau nak mau kau sulit. Ada ni saya cuma saya deh. Padahal umai utia mana kena riba. Umai itu nak apa? Umai itu tahu tak nama. Saya semua itu mana sih. Kalau macam cuma tolong. Heu cuma kau bisa. Kamu sudah nawan. Dengar lo bisa macam opi. Suara faham. Sebenarnya apa sih? Kalau saya jawab, apa jawab? Ini kita lena. Kalau tu ayat ada fees. Kalau kalau tu, ayat tu macam ada lagi. Ya Allah baik. Ega sama masuk sama bapa mende, asal lagi. Orang yang bisa lo bapa mende, lah saya khol. Orang yang mana sih? Kalau mana? Kau jawab, jauh. Orang saya unang antu apa menarik? Kalau sih, apa antu? Mungkin mana? Apa jalan kamu ke jalan lagi? Boleh. Kalau sudah kita mana mudah punya cara apa jalan bersih. Apa macam itu? Semua. Asal asal tu mana jalan? Jangan. Nama tu yang apa jalan? Ada le handran doa macam. Apa orang mahu terus ni? Orang kalau sih orang lokal. Itu nama masalah kau cikisah juga. Kalau tu semua masalah tu aja ofis lawang bawa. Mana itu? Sama orang mana? Kalau mana juga? Kalau bawa mana? Suara waktu mana itu? Musuh macam itu macam kerut. Oleh anak kamu suara. Mana itu? Não suara. Não suara bela mana? Mana suara bela awasal. Agak o dilo mana ni? Berasal. Kamu tahu awasal ni?
Dia ada bagi saya untuk kebanyakan saya bertanya dia belum tahu. Masalah hukum saya. Orang pada hukum saya.我这个给我啥叫不是啥的，我这里我说的地界嘛，我说的地界叫啥？Cuma tu general famous. Mereka tu kawan lah. Orang tu lupa patut lamis. Lalu nak kita kewan. Mana nak kewan? Dia asal ramu. Enak tu ramu tu, bodoh pos. Aku tu macam apa? Orang tu nak kita bodoh pos. Umur berapa belas? Apa besar? Saya suka saya itu. Mana betul tu? Betul betul kamu buat. Betul betul malam ni apa nak buat ini? Enak semua malam ni lah. Anak beliau. Kalau tu kepala yang muda betul apa? Kalau betul wajib ambil. Marombo, marombo tu sih, maromba, apa dia udah mentah, umur apa betul apa? Tuan yang dua dia, kalau aman apa jadi, kalau orang mau dah musik, kan zamba, betul ke le tuai, dia apa mau orang gua, ini tu. Wasadi lah, Rosadi, atau Rosadi, itu mana lah? Thank you.
Kiali, barbai fali, apa cerita malu ni masuk, orang tu kesi efraya, baru tapi lah bukan nampak sih. Ayah le boga, le abang orang jelas tanya le lu bisa apa malu ni. You have a contradiction of platforms. Itu orang kelam ni lah. Ladies and gentlemen, without wasting any further of your time, please allow me to go on stage. Now, without any further ado, please allow me to go on stage. What was the Baba Khatili? Oh, what's going on? What's going on? Man who needs no introduction. He is the rock of Gibraltar. He's a God-given gift. Morocco sinya video malum. What? Oh, kule so wana la cheta wana la tsaka bolita na la chela unleaded 95. Ato sinya video. Na tueli. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Without wasting any further of your time, Rabiale, nikikopela wale kibiche Raholo, Bomarena, Hoshi, Mr. Charles Rabalao, kinakana wale kibiche Rabuzeke, Rabalao, Mr. Purase, Iran Twila.
batho ba ka se thagale ka mo lena le batetse le monyane ya le go ga le sa dire mogolo kwa lenyana ke leko lena ka lena wa somloina Aquel boga agarre son había que comprar la oreja que biche capele apa que suena por mucho la raza o no puede en el que mo no o va puede problema que va a suceder mañana que mo no puede aquel boga agarre son que va a señalar algo luego le cuantisha lo le copisha ve que comprar la oreja biche capele bomme rosary waga wecha ke bia ga botsa ke o tota mo le gatong la ragolo pora be ke gopela go matulisi wa rona matlhatlha wa tsone o se ja ke mo ke ba tla mo ya mo tswa ke se oh
letšatši la ona la ba la fitlha ba ga mphatlhele ba tla ba re etsele e ba le kwa batho ba na le maatla bile ba tseba o ka senatla ba kuka ngwana sekolo sa batho ka ba fitlha ba mphatlhele o thabile kudu go ba bakgotsi ba lena ka moga moši ba thabile kudu ba motlhanka re re ya ga mphatlhele batho ba gona re ya kwa amana ngwana monyetso o fitlha ga mphatlhele fitlha o ba ngwana wa ba mma wa ba sesi wa ba moaja malome wa ba koko mo go ba bana ene ka moka ga bona o ka re bo tsena wa yo ka bana na ba re koko se se wa sa go se ba se go ma mtlha ye o ba go di tunga ba go tlhakanetša ba go mena le bana go go pitša setse ene wa se ba le nna go ntshimo universities ka le ba se ka pitša setse ka moka ene ke moga tša malome ke koko So ke a motlhala gore nna ngwaneso o be sesi o be koko o be mogatša balomi ge di go palela ngwaneso o bitša mphatlela wa bone mo lengwa a re dire jwale bana o ba bitša wa bana ba ba fa malekele ba reka difumo ba bjaka ka morena ba fa ditoi bana ba tsena le mphatlele ka morena mphatlele le pujala ba ka re thusa ntle ya gago ya mphatlele thusa ntle ya gago ya mphatlele a ga ba ga mphatlele o kokong mphatlele o tlola tsena ka bana ba thusa go lokela ke bile le motse ka baka la teng ga bona go bosiba ene le tla mphatlele ke tla mphatlele ke tlo bona teng ka ka re tla le bone ga le go tlo lo skala ka bile ke tshafetša au ka thusa ntle ya le mama o tla na dio yo ka ba o tla e ka le ba me se ke se ke ba ya Jambo fase ke o ithuta fela re sa tlo gona ge re mo omelela
And now, without wasting any further of your time, the painting ready? Yes. I told them to play something a bit wretched. Is it fine? Yes. Is it fine if they play something a bit wretched? Yes. Is it okay? Yes. Just a bit wretched. Not wretched because you guys call the compo wretched. But not a compo. Is it fine? The painting is not sure. Yeah? If all the intimidate, selector, Bakusho is ready. Shoot! Shoot!
Oh, I saw it, this one. Oh, what was it?
Oh, my head. L'histoire c'est l'opinion, non? What is it? What is it? Selector, it's not pretty. What's shoot? What's up?
Amapula babetha kelala babutisa mani. Amapula babetha kelala babutisa mani. Amapula babetha kelala babutisa mani. Amapula babetha kelala babutisa mani.
Arriba, the selector. Una lumana, pero copela la touche cae, ¿no?
On a le mana, pero kupala le tsheka. Now, without wasting any further of your time, Tantling, I was saying, Veke Hopela or the Girichi Vomana Lisiba Wagasitosa or the Matlekapili, Amabiki, Amararo, speech by Sydney. Kona, as I want of money, ready to commit. Mañalo. What pleasure so? Osharaka. Alright, okay, team. Okay, my selector, I don't want to go now. Osharaka.
Before that, I would initial relationship, not your one, yeah. Because before you're not near before you're not there. Muchoga wood. I bet anything I hope that 1 hour. What I'm for the routine. Hope I for the mamo. Can you go there 1, 2, 3, 4? What's the one now? What you do? You choose a home or let for the mamo. But oh, okay, moja. When you want to wish a relationship, you are kind of give you are. Marakata bor. What I get to one another mondo. And I think I'm phone. I think I'm phone. Muna pe udi alwenza ore akizile jawo ke khatale ntwa lwela ro godile le go tshagaleje mfana again yeah no I think I'm next Yeah. So ka no betha ke je ke binela ngwana o esho before ke etho abe ntwe le thabi go go bona go thabela a bethe ke fedile a go tsole ke fedile la go ke wela go la ke mohala ke gopela go motshware go tsere okay go fana se fedile no ke tsere la nya ele sa tsene ke nna ke bulela go no faster para ahora es el leche que hay todo allá. Estaba ya muy bien.
Groomsmaids and bridesmaids, can I please have you coming to the front? Come Kanale. Red. So we're going to have all the groomsmen standing one side, and we're going to have so you'll stand on the side of Mr. Mpasele, then they will stand on the side of Mrs. Mpasele. My selector, look for any song by Loiso. The village. Can I had a dream about you? Alright, alright, please move a bit closer by this line. And thank you very much. My selector, please, with your favorite friend. Right, you got it, my selector? So this one is a special request from Oslebo. She's going to hand out the bouquet. Right? Fantastic stuff. Where is the name of Huluguana? Oh, woman. You guys can do better than that. Please, one more time. And fucking the 4, 3, 2, 1. The Huluguana! You're like, I really like that. We really famoso. Yeah, boy. Hello, my selector. It's for the finish one. We take it and the final go with it. Yeah, go. Shoot. What is up about you? I don't know what I get these around. I had a dream about you. You were right in front of me, and the light just staring in my eyes. I love it, man. I love it, man. I love it, man. I love it, man. Don't stop. I love it, man. To the rhythm of it slow. Alright, you guys can do better.
Congratulations. Ah, mga guys, umihulog ka. Congratulations, Rally Boca. Thank you very much.
Dia lagi soal kan, saya sampai kamu kulit ini. Apa balik fasih?
Fantastic stuff. Ma fratelli ci hanno cosa fare in Almata Fra, ma fratelli cosa fare in Almata. Io vorrei Joel che viene the last speaker of the first part of the program. Allez, shoot! Fantastic stuff. And Itolo Jaramushi, they are on standby, yeah? They are on standby. Maragasho, Kantenga Osianako, Mekopelaka Mkanarena, Rene Kamato, Ushipastompo, Yaure, Boku Albertina, Waramushi, Sebakase, Sabo, Nakopela Rene Kamato Kanarena. Vekel Kamkanarena, Kamkanarena. All of you, all of together. Hopefully, team are local thing. Ladies and gentlemen, please help me to welcome on stage. Kimaviche kapele, vate kakeno, yomu tamata. Lerena, Ramasati Hotelakana Kuchare, Mekola Kuchasakase, Kapina, Yaweketiwe, Varana, Gerata was simple now, Kilicho Hepolo, Batakapele, Albertina, Wam, Shi. Shabra.
Hello everybody. Peter.
Well, some of my
Ufana majana ya mbao uzamaenda yo kuitia kwa mpate
Thank you very much.
Mamutwadi barikile wote lina la lehu manishu baru mansakse mansari sheng mamutaza moya nifeni wanyana o fita beger wa wanchore ni utile bang kamamushi enorata manau arto rata la munna o rata munna wa hao ngo nyeti umpochenda badona mutompe wato yesu umtomi dalewo
ya boga mama golo wa manchari shegi wa kisa ugeme golo kwa with the same energy. Are you ready for them, Mr. Pora? I mean, you've been doing a wonderful job, man. You've been doing a great job. This man is amazing. He's one of the best and the biggest in the game. Now, without wasting any further of your time, this beautiful, newlyweds. All right. Can we please stand on our feet? Can we please stand on our feet? Alma Feliele, that's what I'm going Fantastic stuff. My selector, can I have my lovely couple come on? Lovely couple. That's what I got to talk. Have to go home. Aha. Ya no, easy. Kailangan na lang ko kulicha na mo na ito kilofro. No ito kilofro. Ya no, narobale ito kilofro. Ano sa inyo mo siya? Leo mo mo siya. Ele me deu um boze. Eu peguei um boze. Ele não vai arrumar nunca. Não, mas assim. Isso não vai acontecer. Por lá? Bailo chencha wanake. Basha. Mikono kwani, mikono kwani, mikono kwani, mikono kwani.
Baruti jikopala warabara blessed jeni choche before dibuliwa. Baruti.
the very finest human creation that God has created. One of the finest and most brilliant minds that we have in South Africa, academically capable. And her leadership skills are par above excellence. Ladies and gentlemen, walking here or sending her to the stage with a song by Mafiki Zolo, Puti Hapa Nawe is the name of the song. Please help me welcome on stage Miss Serati Mokhate as the colleague. A song. Shoot.
Guys, you know, because I run a very big team, but yeah, a very youthful team also. I just want to touch on Joe as a leader, but more importantly as someone who is a very big part of my team. First of all, I wouldn't drive all this way. I would drive all the way from Joburg, Timiaka, the rest of the guys there at the back. We wouldn't drive for someone who's not doing much in the team. So it's really testament to the person that Joe is in my team. I really appreciate this woman. When they say dynamite comes in small packages of work also. When she started in my team 6 years ago, you need to understand that Hare on Borabatu, you know, it's an IT industry, she's an IT guru. I cannot the workers, you know, the wife, IT guru who's not only that, but she's very technical. Something that we lack in this country, something that we lack unfortunately amongst women. So when you get someone with a skill like that, you know, so I remember when I think so I got CVs from a lot. I mean, we deal with a lot of contracts, vendors and everything, and her CV stood out. It stood out. She did a lot of work, amazing work of Vodacom. I think it was Vodacom. And I said, that one is the one. And she's never looked back in the team. She is doing amazing things. The biggest one, we've just launched a product by Vita, you know, yeah, it's an Absa product. If you see that, just know that this woman was behind it. You are our witness to that, right? You are our witness. I'm sorry that we took some of your time. 9 p.m., 11, we had to be on call with business, right? But what I like is Giboni Ephraim. So, it's not playing you for so I just want to say that we really appreciate the work that you've done. You are amazing. I just want to touch a little bit on the godly wife. The Bible says, seek ye first the kingdom of God and his righteousness, and all these things will be together unto you. Bless your marriage. Love your husband and do right by him. There will be challenges in your heart, promise a smooth ride. But I pray for blessing your union. You know, there's just one scripture that I want to quickly read for you. Proverbs 18:22. He who finds a wife finds a good thing and obtains favor from the Lord. Love your wife. When you love your wife, God will bless you. God will continue to bless you. And I wish you everything of the best. Thank you and love you.
Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Now, without wasting any further, of your time, it is my privilege and honor to call on stage one of the very finest friends that have been with this woman throughout the journey of life, whether it be on and off the field, whether it be mothering and any other thing, they have been with her. It is my utmost honor to start with Miss Juliet Mutsifane, who's going to give a speech about the friend, as well as Jeanette Nelohene. I hope I put her right. Fantastic stuff. Without wasting any further of your time, please, my selector, Bashe Ngoma, once I was up in the Pinayana. Let's go Pinaruna.
Okay, Levush is a good person. Too much. Legare motivation and lano rehaimwano marayena hai. Never pitching and receiver or level. Okay, my friend, I'm happy for you. So, the day, very good, like if you like to how do you go to the mood? How can I go to Madame? I just didn't want to go. I begin a mood. You're on a mood, night to a mood. I'm not trying to man. I just actually when I put your man. I like him that don't go to a packet, but I can touch him packet. Okay. Hai because all pleasure to go to get a mood. Hai happy mood when I didn't take his understanding. Get a mood to lagay. I'll move to motor and I get him waiting. Now, okay, I'm going to get a high mood to put on my inside way. Now, what is your name? I like Linda Jan. Mara, now I get out of how to make a little and the Buddha Motoe. I want to watch you like a month oh, when I feel like I still lose an Yalona. Kialia, happy, yeah, I don't know, trying again like I want to be less than if you're not put your hand on so I'm happy for you. I don't know what challenge I'm on. I don't know today because of when I want to say your challenge botse o ke nyaka service ya ka ene le ka le mo lebelela tsona re ke ngwana ha wa se ngwana wa mfita le nna so sa mafelelo ke re nna ke mogwetsi ya hao mara a ke sa le mogwetsi ya hao o lolore 17 on ha one that imphatelo dia today when you have a best friend all o tlo moja everything modimo o feel best friend lo khale o ithoka ka bophelo ba hao mathata ka o fela o rona le ona o share le yena rena re tsanya go ditete jampatele dia unanga angiro itso tlo khona o fita in so le ya unanga o ska re boja ke a le mo I'm here for you my friend. Ratoro dumedisha batho ka moka number first amen and ke na Matlo Juliet from Tifan. So level ke tlhakanelena back in 2015. So it's been a decade of being your friend, of being blessed to have you in my life, and I think all your friends. When I met Lebo, we met for one of the classes, university. We sat next to each other. You know how good it feels when you are in a different province and you find someone speaking the same language as you. So, then we clicked from there. Then later on, I said, Juliet. So much now when we were meant to be. But what block is where we used to attend our classes. Be it Bana, be it Basaki. I remember there was a point most people used to ask me, well, how are you friends with Lebo? Because Lebo was a mean person. I didn't understand what they meant because now I got to know her beyond the way whenever I go on. Then I realized what Lebo, like I want to tell you, she's very strict. She's a straight talker. And she can be impatient. So those things, sometimes they come across as a mean person. And she's not a mean person. We all have different personalities. And Rena, Ramrata with those personalities. As tiny as she is, she keeps us in check. I never used to cross night at university, but once I became her friend. Now Friday, Saturday, you know, where you were, on exam on Thursday, she would say, okay, start a no over. Like I loved procrastinating. You know, Tuesday, we'll start Tuesday, I'm always. Saturday, we meet up on campus and we cross night. I don't want to lie to anyone, that helped me a lot. And I can speak to other people, other friends, by the IT. We are where we are today because of your hard work. And because of the way you push us. We love and appreciate you so much. Lebo is not an affectionate person, eh? Yes. And now when I see you, I give you a hug. Little bit bye-bye, I give you a hug. So Lebo mo hug. She reminds me so much of my mom. My mom is strict, can be impatient, and is not affectionate. So that got me to understand the type of person Lebo is. Even if I give her a hug, she doesn't really hug me back. But I know she loves and cares about me because I'm her friend. I miss you an amazing journey. The little things that you guys did in the beginning, continue doing them. If you guys used to go out for coffee, continue. If you guys used to take walks, continue. Sometimes you can do it with the table, but not all the time. So sometimes you need to do it alone. And when you're wrong, try to apologize. Because as women, we tend to say it doesn't come natural, it's not easy for us to apologize. But we need to learn that. So I think Morali Liena, he needs that.
A former colleague of mine once shared something with me about marriage. She said, marriage is like taking a road trip. In the beginning, you're excited. But then during the journey, there comes a point where it's quiet in the car. Then when you are about to reach your destination, the excitement comes back. So it's the same as marriage. There comes a point where it's quiet. So it's up to you if you continue with the journey or you want to get off wherever you are at that point. So I hope if it ever gets to a point where it's quiet in marriage, continue with the journey and see where it leads. Morale, thank you for loving our friends. She's so beautiful inside and outside. So please maintain the glow that she has. I love you guys so much. And continue to be the God-fearing woman that you are, that I know. Thank you.
What's about university friends? Did you really quite need about these papers different? No, the boss came and said she's a leader. And Nahana boss, how are you educated? And by the way, she's still in school with the husband as well. So Linyalole, all the people to don't show off. Our end about one native appeal. But one needs happiness. Her IT friends, I see Instagram. Realize, hey, very location. It goes. I got my key. I got no Roma. I go to Bryanston. Go to the hills. I know already. They love me. Hey, let me see our beach festival control. Only now Venezuela. Now I'm going to go Boston Media House. Kitama Ote Kiataka Bazari. Yamoflinga. A graduate in theater. Kamara South African State Theater. Mohashi wa radio Kamash. Ogawa.
I'm just kidding, ladies and gentlemen.
And Johnny, this is very difficult because Lego is also part of the leadership of VUT, ZCC, SF. It can't be this perfect. Lechavalo Rasa Nogar, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. It's so. Let's come quite like what do I say? I want to tell you.
Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. It is my utmost honor, privilege, and prowess. I'm a robber of ladies and gentlemen, both of those money, none of my as the Omo. How about I can know what I got on the first one of the 15 spineless quick for Gamma Jimmy Tow, for Gamma Emmanuel Assange, Scarra Gomez, by Fagamani Tipa. Hold on! You're the Pano in Buena Carolemana. You're Bahashi Barrio Gamma. Ogawa, it is my utmost honor Kaniti Kashompo Yoholo Yakreke Twa Yohetera
kereke ya go ba le setsha mo lefaseng le ka komarong ba gala be matšatši ko morago ba ge le ka ntšhela morago ruri ke tla le bontšha mo tate a feditšong gona ka go dira jalo ke kgopela gore speech by VUT ZCC SF I'm pretty sure they've got a preparation and a rendition just before the leadership a refer speech sa VUT ZCC SF so what structure apa kalian lawan TikTok ini lo jangan nentilin ada ada macam ene le abona mo feeling small na bago nando ladies and gentlemen please put your hands together and help me welcome on stage VUT ZCC SF Matoko Maboko Dihante Mifulu Kwale as they come on stage.
Dei hore Lebo o ile gamphahlele ka gamphahlele ma motlhale tlhatsitse gore awa Lebo ka mo o tla ka go etsela ga gago ke gamphahlele o dula le ba gaga jwale jale ka mafateng a magolo ke ba gaga jale ga ba gaga le dikgomo na le matlhale go rena o nyaka o bolela a mabedi re eletse motho o tee le ena o nyaka o bolela a mabedi ke a leboga
Thabela ka moka ka teng wa eme mo ke bo matlhare ba babedi wa manelo wa magogolo jwale di boledi mosagare di boletse mara a se ka kwa ba bolela ba botsebotse ka Lebo nna ke nyaka go le botsa ka Lebo gore Lebo ke motho wa mokutanang mama gae o latela nna mama go Lebo she's organized Lebo ke motho wa rata dilo tsa go tsamaya ka tsela Lebo re tla thoma go prepare moketeng o re Lebo mamogolo nna ke gopela meeting ro swara gae go bokoko awa ke nnete re tswetse ka mokarata re swara meeting Lebo o rata go le ska fitlhela mmakalela batho ba mogae ditaba di sa tsamaye botse Lebo o tlo le bitsa a re a dieng gae re ye ro bolela le mogekolo re tlile ka moka rena ka mogae ra fitlha ra dula ene Lebo o rata meeting nna ke rata agenda e re mo meeting gore dilo di sepele ka lenaneo le ga jwale e re be re fitlha ka mogae e re meeting namile re agenda namile re a thoma nna ke a share gape namile ditaba di sepela gabotse re bona mola meeting ke gore ke rata gore batho ba ithute se sengwe bona mola meeting re yalo re be re ka dikeledi mara ge re tswa mo re tswa ka dikoloi tse diteng re tla be re kwana Lebo a rate batho ba o lokisa dilo ka phone cause e lokisa ka phone o mongwe o feletsa e drop mara e re le ka mo gae re a bolela ra kwata ra lla ra fetsa ra tla ka solution ya gore jwale ditaba ka moka re di kwele mara forward re a jwang ke ka mokgwa re kgonneng go phetha modiro ka ona a jaletse o bja ka sekgone ye nngwe ya Lebo ke motho o rata thuto o rata go bala kua morago nna ke be ke mo fetsa ka mangwana mo ke be ke mo fetsa ka thoma kare a re phadišaneng ka mo gae ka mo re nyaka go bona wa ka feleletsa a re fetile ka go re phadišana ka dilo tsa mokutsana ke nnete ra phadišana nna ka buša ra nape ke nna mogekolo nka sa kgonana le Lebo ke nnete le gone jwale o sa le busy o a ngwala ye nkgatlileng ge ntse re prepare mokete wa gape this month she phoned a le mmerekong a re mamogolo gape ke phasitse masters so for this month I saw kwetjaleng a se lenyalo fela o phasitse le masters mpotsa a re mamogolo ke nyaka go ya go PhD jwale ke rata go bolela le papa Mphahlele gore papa Mphahlele ke gopela gore ngwanong le ska mo ganetša dibuka Lebo nna o mpoditšang mamogolo ke nyaka go bona ke apere pura ye red ke nyaka go tšhentšha ye black jwale ke gopela gore le molokolo le ba Mphahlele o rata thuto ngwana ene o nkgatlhela gore mo thibitsa bana ba rena gape bana ba rena go jwale ba nna ke nyaka go dula o tshwana le sesilela wa kwa gore ke ntho e botsebang ene motho o ka tšea ngwana wa gago wa mmea mazong a gabe aowa nna ngwana ka o so ka baka la lebo wa tseba gore sekolong wa iyo lebo le kgaogelo le matsobane ba šetse motho o morago ke tshepa gore ba tlo no tšwela pele ka thuto le o ba rutileng go yone lebo le e le gore a se ke ko babalata ba di-presentation of gifts ke kgopela o mo fa yaka ka gore gone jale ke ya go phutha merwalo ke ya mo felesetša ga mphatlhele lebo ke nna wa ga sethosa akere ke kgotleletše ditutše ga sethosa le wena wa ya go kgotlelela ga mphatlhele jwale lebo nna ke re ke na le kgongwana ka kua lešakeng re lo ramphatlhele ba be ba sena lešaka e ya go ba thomele le ona banaka ke a leboga
ke le moditse gore go sa ema ga botse o kawa ba re masters a ke re le mona ke kwela be le tsore ye what's ba re o founile a re masters koloi ke magemeni nna ke tlogela ene bjale ke mathata ka gore o mamolai bona a se ba lela gore ge ngwana bolela sekgoba batho ba tsenela o re be ke baphara ka mangwa a re nro lokiša malapa a gorena ge e le gore yona o inspire tona ka botsatsi o kry koko o ithube mo makopanong a ditsela gona o lokiša dilo tša gago ore o kry tamati o ebotle ditaba o tšhele ka mola o bee mola ka le thuša. In the memory of your late sister, can we stand on our feet and do a moment of silence in the memory of the late mother? Your father still around? Father still around, right? We're going to have a moment of silence. Right, I'm going to have a dedication by Visinova. Please don't sit down because they're also about to come on stage. The name of the song is Aspelelaga. You can play it, my skeleton.
Okay.
masabatha ebathile abasana le rena matsogo maboko ihande in their memory. Now Lazarus Tema Films, this is your moment to shine. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Alrighty. For you, this is your moment to shine. Well, you are shining already, but it's your moment to show off. Alrighty. Are we ready this side? Okay. Let's tie our shoelaces. We must tell the what? Alright, can we turn the icon? I don't know which direction, but yeah, I don't know, it's too much. Let's face this way. Alright, I want to break it because I hear the cheapest one is about 25. Okay. Just remember, this is going to be on camera, so probably don't. Each of them whole link. Alright. Are you ready? Lazarus Tema Films. Are you ready? It's about to go down. Fortunate Pora, one of the very finest magic hands in South Africa. Are you ready? Put your faith in a friend. Are you ready? Alright, the Butler family. It's about to go down in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Are you guys fasting this week? This is amazing. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, without wasting any further of your time, I'm left with about 3 items on my program, and now I'm going to chow that one other item so that we are left with 2. It is my utmost honor to welcome on stage the beautiful, the vivacious, the titillating, the gorgeous, unmatched, beauty personified. Ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcome on stage Mrs. Madau Mparo to come and give us a toast. I can see the fellow. I can see the fellow. But Slender never gets tired unless the owner is jealous. Slender my calendar, Slender my umbrella. Slender one out, I got Slender one out, I spend one more. Hey! Can I have some quietness coming from the back?
These people, Melinda John Pasile, La Khadisha, Merabaga today as home Ulu Akaka. But before that Lebo. Like they said, oh, she's a straight talker. And the Babylon nature. Lebo was the champ. Lebo I can never talk about the So guys, I just like to say thank you for respecting Lebo and looking as good as she would have loved you guys to look. You better let my daughter Baba khona ngula ba bule re ka khona go dira toast ya rena ba ruti ba kra ke ya re shule ka tshwenyega ba ba tla go le mo pele ga lena a le ka bothata ba rapeletse ka makgetha so ka mpela eno le la lipse ka ona so pela ba tshika mo ka emele
Thank you very much, my selector. It's very important that laugh there be dealt with, immediate, effective. That token to you only catch your reflect. I have your attention. Right, may we have your attention, please? Okay. I feel that is disrespectful. I personally feel that is disrespectful. It's very disrespectful. And it's unnecessary if you ask me.
Rito, ke gopela batho ka moka ba emelela for the toast. We are going to cheers 3 times. So when we cheers to the first day, was kind of like home. Lama Tomo, arranging the Galas Jarena to a lifetime filled with laughter, adventure, and most importantly, unconditional love. Let's cheers. Beautiful, beautiful. La bobedi. Ke gopela le ganyane fela gore re fetse ka mmereko wa rena mo morago. Le ba botse mara le shata la lena mka. Let's mention of Sinarela. La bobedi. Ke rata Ulelaga Proverbs 14 that says, a wise woman builds her home, and a foolish woman destroys it with her own hands. Ephesians 5 that says, husbands, love your wives. Love your wives even as Christ also loved the church and gave up himself for it. With that said, I would like for us to raise our glasses and toast to Lewo Ntate Mphahlele, being an epitome of those scriptures. Let's cheers to that. This part you can always not hungam kaya na for this part, this is the last one. I would have easily said however, I don't want to categorize it because I get the so I'm just going to put it and say, for God to grant you all your heart desires and a beautiful, together, happily ever after. Let's raise our glasses and cheers to that, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. The toasting powers vested in me. Let's just cheers to Salamat Warana for the brilliant job that he's done for the day. Thank you very much. Makoti omupila so.
On the program, so if you're patient with me, I'll be done in no time. Elegance, it is now time for the fireworks. I did say and if you understand the month of September and what it means, we close the Thank you very much. I'm going Thank you very much. May we be seated. Après le salut, il faut ce soir. Le trauma a gagné. Il m'a fait a certain onto the dessert so that we can be able to proceed to the last program or last item on the program. All right, Malumi, look at it. Now corona telephone on a boom symbol of it. You know the last item. Totally, oh no, we don't even need to. Mo profita só de dinheiro você de mobília. Agora mo profita o para no change. Ela me chama lo irá para close fee. Só de o para ele change bati. Agora mo tô mo fatali real manava. Ela me saiu que experiência vai correr. Le faço como para de ele nele babararo. Mo Africa o sequer. Maragata te creste Israel o le rato in lo le shoko. Amiela we na moha. Mara o puchata be we ore. Utsibile le ubi fa ko pana le. Ori Israel la fona te tsele nga robeji ka gobaro. Ka telebeti yo fole ya moha. Afauna wasana glory and sunaka wala fatsa mpaka the wonderful judge. My God. Le kholo mo di buka ba go moso ba 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 na ba ile tholo o fe almasa di mo ora o motel o veliena le tsola go o msayo le tlo ba ntshwa nete ba go bo ba cha le ka ba close ba fetto ba tshimo di moga mara ge a ka tswela pele ya ba mo botse bele ka ile mo botse ka bo ora o sa botere tshi Israel di moga go la picture of my friend to a multi-millionaire. When I saw his picture first time, I'm like, this guy is probably top 10, top 15 in the picture. It's coming, right? I speak life to their life. I speak blessings to their life. Masataya. Just kidding, man. Ke gopela tidi malo ka mogala la pala moshi ka buka ka bore khoshi ani batlo yenelela mara ke thoma to bolela le tore nna apa ke go mo go motho ka yo go ke dingwe au maro ke go ro motho ndi ah o Khalil ah ho gur maybe like a link you know I'm to love the cororo why ki cororo mtu really kaena I am not fit to call you on stage. But because I'm duty bound, I don't want to be absent when my presence is required. Hebe ilo ya kana na oshiradi. Venga silichi. Mara kale bakala gore ke matshwane. Ke a gapeletse. Magalo show ke gopela gore re menka maoto re kgone gore ra mogele go khoshigadi ge batla ka pele re menka maoto re menka maoto ka kana rena ntongwe ya ntshebela ka pele ntate mogale gore I allow you to introduce your wife. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together and help me welcome on stage. The epitome of Dynamite comes in small packages. An intellectual, an academia, a mother, a leader, prominent, trailblazer. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my utmost honor to present to you the newly wedded Mr. Sampatele, to come and give you a reply. Murabapura, to wait someone to make a help for this.
everyone in this tent must thank me, because if it was not me, yes. Na a ke na amantshi manze go thoma ka ole ba modimo pele gobane ke ena re dishiteng yo mogologolo wa matšatši ditheto ka moka di ya go modimo ke re ke fetša go leboga modimo ke leboge motswadi yaka ya ithobaletšego ka tsela ya go godisitseng ka yona ke leboge le mogekolo wa ka mo gae ka mo bokoko le ge ba ba le street ba re godisitse ka thapelo gore tse ka moka re di bea matsogong a modimo re mo re leng ka baka la thapelo ke tliša ditebogo gape go bokoko ke tliša le ditebogo gape go my family at large ditlogolo bo mamogolo ka moka thego e lemphileng yona go tloga ka tšatši le ke ile ka re ba gamphatlhele ba kgopela sego sa metsi la emelela ka moka la mpha thego ke a leboga. It's not all the families that do it. I would also like to thank each and everyone who honored my invitation and especially honor the theme. Nele dula le ntse le pisti a sho green ke. Mara wana ke le ya pere. Motho a le nyatsa sho. Okay, I really appreciate each and every one of you guys. I would also like to thank my bridesmaids. They are not just bridesmaids, they are our sisters. Our journey, each and everyone here, we have different journey. I have different journey with them, but we click. I'm not a person who I communicate much on social media with my friends. I can spend 2 months without talking to all of them here, but they know definitely that I do love them. I'm not that friend who do like phone call, text, no. You can even ask my friend Jeanette, sometimes come drop. And it's me that I can hold on. So yeah guys, that's me. Lastly, I would like to thank my husband for choosing me. Yes. I know that, yeah, I live a bunch, but it is what it is. So, I'm just going to give you a bit brief of how we met. So all the ladies in this, my key tent, if you see an inbox from Facebook, do not ignore it. So my family, they used to ask me, because I didn't want to tell anyone until on the day. Yes. So we actually met through Facebook during COVID time. Yeah, but when we met, I was like, it's COVID, I'm bored. Let me just push time. But look where time put me. So yeah, I would just like to thank him for choosing me and for also giving me a wedding of my dream. Yes. So, before I go and sit down, my bridesmaids, you can be released. Ne ke khopela ditlogolo tsa go ka moka ba tsene ene DJ khopela ba le DJ la ena ke ba la ena ba sa le wa amushi ke moye ka mo amushi ba ba para dikhipa tsa ditlogolo le ka no itwele tsa ditlogolo tsa go ba le betina.
We have come to the end of the program. Daily Mtume la kesho kwa follow kitoje taboga moga. Thank you very much. Arinya gawar maruti ba khono tsena bar le bogele ka mogau wa thapelo gore khono le lokole bahana bahana ariya le boga baruti ke ya sompa le krekele tsenao ebile le re bogele le ba botse gore ya leboga re leboga le malapa a bolena ka gore
ga ntšhile ka ga ya le duli le le gare le thuša rena modimo a le thuše a le dire ka go loka a lekwe rialo ke just ba ka se go tšea microphone o bušetše mathomong mo go tšereng gona ge le re amogela ka thapelo magagešo Mr. Pura a re amogele bo moruti ge ba re tswalela ka thapelo
Sister, recopela over sur les gifts, on va les procéder. Les gifts, on va les procéder, mais recopela over les gifts, presents, can they please come all the way forward? Mr. Pura? For the next 30 seconds, we are done. Why am I Makoti? Can I please have you on the floor? Malome, Malome?